Whoosh! Hello everyone. We're here in the video room and I know what you're thinking. My lips are a bit bigger than normal. I got bit by, I don't know what, like a mosquito or something. It's 4th of July! Woo! Woo! And it is 10:45. We are editing. It is the second Thursday of session 2. And we were just outside watching some fireworks. I was flying my drone through the fireworks, and I'll show you some of that footage in a sec. It was very fun. It's very scary because it's like literally almost pitch black. And I might show you a clip now of what I could see in the goggles. And so there's like times where I'd just like faintly make out the blue sky from the black land to figure out if I was upside down or not. Very hard to tell how high I was, and I had a golf cart with the lights on to know where to land, so that I didn't kill any kids or anything. And yeah, it's very fun. You guys enjoy 4th of July?
Yes.
Yes, I love it.
It was great.
It was really great.
Go USA.
Yeah.
USA forever, guys.
Yeah.
We love Trump.
Raoul was filming for another 4th of July video. That should be good. And hopefully,
It's so good. Check it.
Hopefully it will include some of my drone footage as well. Cool. We have a long night ahead of us. This was a great start to it. Feeling great. You guys confident?
Yeah.
Excited?
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Awesome. Enjoy this drone footage, and thanks very much for watching.
Whoosh.
Space where life is strung from sky to floor. I wanna be in your eye line, in focus in the dark. I feel the weight of nothing. Oh, superstars. Oh, superstars. Oh, superstars. Oh, superstars. Speak to me until the small talk is over and shivers break the silence, or distant grief of sirens.